What's up, guys? Okay, I bet you are all confused right now because you're like, wait a minute, this is Sean's channel, not Dan and Shell. But I am actually walking over to Sean's house right now. Yes, I said walking because we live that close. What? And we're gonna do a little house tour for you guys. Check this out, I just got here. Walking across his grass, don't tell.
Who is it?
Special delivery.
Oh my gosh, is that Michelle from Banjo?
Open up!
Welcome to my house. Welcome everybody, come right in.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. So, yes, this is the official house tour. Michelle got us started off. Maybe let's give them the grand entry here real quick, Michelle. Just walk right in and then we'll come back to here.
Here we go. Should I take my shoes off?
No, you're good. You can keep them on.
Okay.
We're not too picky here. Big open spaces. We're going to get into all of this. Wanted to give you the grand entrance. Let's go back to this room, though, the game room. Now, typically, this main entry room is reserved for couches that never get sat on, books that never get read, things like that. I decided to go with skee ball. So
shows how this puppy works. What?
Player one, player two.
So we got two players. See if I can get a little bit of pressure here. Oh.
20.
Give me like 5 rolls. Oh, that was in the 30.
20.
There it is.
Oh!
For those wondering, yes, I do hold the high score. The high score is 330. Yes, we have skee ball, and then we have shuffleboard. You all know what shuffleboard is.
Yes.
I also have bowling pins set up for this, which are really fun. That's gonna be a good one. Okay, we'll end on that one. So yeah, really cool. Right here we have so bowling pins. You can set these up. This holds the bowling pins. You can set up the bowling pins and try and knock go bowling with the shuffleboard. Okay, real quick though, I want to talk about all these pictures on the walls. You've probably seen these in the background already. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen them there. If you don't follow me on Instagram, shame on you.
Guys, check out his Instagram at Sean Bingham right now.
Yes, please do. So I want you to try and guess where each of these are from. So really fun fact, I took all of these pictures. For years, I travel the world, as you know, and I've always wanted to decorate my own house with pictures that I took, and that's what I've done. So let's start with this one behind you there, Michelle.
Guys, comment down below where you think. This will be picture number 1. Where do you guys think that is?
Yep, here's picture number 2.
2. Where is that? 3. Guys, he took this. This isn't one of those screensavers that come with your computer.
I took that, I actually ran and dove off the end of that pier.
He took it with his phone. Actually, maybe it was a camera.
That was my phone.
4.
This one I actually did not take, but you may recognize that booty. Just kidding.
Big booty. What?
That is me. So a friend took this one for me. This one here.
Picture number 5.
This is called the 12 Apostles, and it is in the south part of Australia. It's about a 2-hour drive from Melbourne. This is called Havasupai. It's actually Havasu Falls. The village down there is called Supai, and it's at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. This one is in Turks and Caicos. I cannot remember the name of this beach, but it's in Turks and Caicos.
So beautiful.
This is called Stairway to Heaven. It's on Oahu. This is right here in Utah. This is called Lake Blanche, and it's up Big Cottonwood Canyon.
I think Sean should start photography with me.
I mean, looks like I already have.
Sean can do landscape, I'll do people.
Okay, let's knock this room out. This is the guest room, so I'll let you walk in there first, Michelle.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
This is the guest room. This blanket, which I think actually is Justin's and I stole it. Michael Jordan won his 5th NBA championship. Michelle, can you please turn the camera around and tell the audience what I would make you do when we watched basketball games together?
He was super superstitious. I don't even know if that's a word. But I'm pretty sure you'd make me sit on the couch upside down.
Correct.
Yes, I would literally have to lay on the couch. I wonder if I can do it like this.
Here, I'll take over the camera then, duties.
He would make me watch the game like this.
And what did it lead to? It led to not 5 championships. There was another one after this. 6 NBA championships for Michael Jordan, all because of how we watched the game. So, okay, moving on. Come this way.
Way to go, MJ.
Guest bathroom, nothing too fancy there, but notice the, what do you call those? The
succulents.
The succulents. Let's get back into the fun stuff here. So, this, I always wanted to have a big open floor space. I like to entertain, I like to have friends over, hold events, barbecues, game nights, things like that. So having big open floor plan was a huge, huge must for me. And I think we did pretty good, right?
Yeah, I think you nailed that one.
Yeah. We came in here, Michelle and Daniel helped me. Remember, we taped out everything on the floor. We measured all these things, kind of tried to envision it, and we got custom dimensions. And so this couch is just amazing. You can fit 10 people on here comfortably, if not more, 12 even, pretty comfortably. This ottoman, I kind of stole this from Michelle and Daniel's house. It's a little bit different than theirs, but I love it. And it was, it's kind of my pride and joy. And a fun little fact about the ottoman, Mike Miller, I hope you're watching. One of the first days I had it, my buddy spilled barbecue sauce on it right there. Oh. And I've tried to get it to go away. There's still some remnants, so that is where that table came in. Let's move to the table real quick. The moment that he spilled on that, I thought I need to have I want to be able to watch TV and eat food. I don't want to like force people to eat in the kitchen. So I went and bought my own personal Buffalo Wild Wings table. So that's what I call this, the Buffalo Wild Wings table. So you can see here, this is actually where I eat most of my meals, honestly. Before I go do a demonstration, I want you to comment and guess how big you think the TV is, okay? So in the comments, guess how big you think the TV is. Okay, you ready for this? Mm-hmm. So I'm 6'1", and my wingspan, I believe, is like 6'4", okay? I mean, look at this.
Close to Michael Jordan.
Look at this. I mean, diagonally, it's over 7 feet. So it's an 86-inch TV. Wow. 86-inch TV, yeah. This was the biggest one on the market. There's a 100-inch TV out now. It's awesome. We got the Sonos sound bar. In fact, should we show off the Sonos real quick?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
I mean, hopefully this GoPro mic picks it up.
Yeah, you probably won't get the full sound effect, but check this out. Alexa, play Paradise by Coldplay.
Paradise by Coldplay, starting now on Amazon Music.
Alexa, volume 8.
Woo!
Now the only problem is I don't know how to stop it unless I get my phone out. So, hang on. Oh, okay, that was really loud. Michelle helped me pick out the rug. Michelle helped me a ton, just in general with the house. But yeah, check out the rug. I like it, you know.
It's beautiful. And you guys, you may or may not have seen a couple dance parties in this exact room with the Bingham family.
And the plants, I'm very proud of the plants.
As you should be.
Notice no cords. It's kind of a cordless area.
Yes.
This is
very
Crate and
neat.
Barrel. Everything's hidden, you know, kind of minimalistic. And then my favorite piece, actually, this couch. Michelle, why don't you tell us what you think about this couch?
You know, this is a white pleather, I believe. If anyone doesn't know what pleather is, it's plastic leather.
This couch was one of the first couches that Justin and Jared and me purchased for our office for KZ, which was our sunglasses brand. So I have commandeered it. They don't seem to miss it too much. And so here we are. So, okay. Alexa, turn the TV off.
Okay.
Booyah.
Okay.
Come over here.
Okay.
Oh. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
Isn't that kind of cool though?
That's really cool.
So I was gonna do an unlock feature, and then thank goodness Amazon thought of this. They warned me before I enabled it that if you allow Alexa to unlock your door, that somebody could just yell through the house, yell through the window, unlock the door, and then it would unlock and let them in. So I did not enable that. You cannot come to my house and yell unlock the door.
Yeah.
Okay, to the kitchen. So,
Check
very
this
cool.
out.
These lights, Michelle, this was a long process to pick these lights out. I dragged her to like 17 stores, but I like how they turned out.
I love them.
Yeah.
I think they look really good.
Really big island, as you can see. Got like the chef's kitchen with the nice stove and stuff over here, which at first I actually didn't use this very much, but I've started to use it a lot more, cooking at home and stuff. I don't cook very well, but I do try a little bit, and I really like having it. Yeah, bowl of cereal is kind of my specialty. To the fridge we go.
Okay.
Now this fridge may look like just an ordinary fridge to you, but I'm very proud of it. There are no handles. It is very sleek. I got this slightly shallower or less deep fridge, so it's closer to the counter, so it's not sticking out forever. No handles, so it's kind of like clean and modern looking. There's little notches underneath and above, and so you can just pull. Pretty nice. What kind of
goodies you got in there?
And one of my favorite things.
Filtered water.
Filtered water, the pitcher. And it's got this fancy thing in the middle. And then this is called the Flex Zone. In fact, I'm gonna have some grapes. That one.
What's it in your mouth?
I'm just gonna put it in my mouth. That one?
Yeah. Thank you.
This is cool though. This can be a freezer or a fridge. You keep the fine wines in here. Notice my fine wine.
Welch's.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
They make a mean wine.
So a cool thing here, get this feature here. Twist, unlocks it, and you can slide this around.
Ah.
So it'll lock it into place. Kinda cool.
I like it.
Yeah, so that's fun, and then freezer's pretty basic, but look how healthy I am.
Yes, veggies.
Oh my gosh, look how healthy I am.
Hot dogs. Oh, I see some Ben and Jerry's down there.
Not mine. It actually isn't. Okay, now let's get the pantry real quick.
Okay.
And get the. This is not a double stove. People frequently think it is. It's a microwave, or not stove, but oven. This is the microwave, and then the oven here.
Okay.
And then here's the pantry. Pretty big pantry. It's kind of empty, but it's very big.
It's a lot bigger than ours.
This table is pretty cool. As I mentioned, I like to host things. Michelle, I may have you help me.
Oh, there we go.
Pulls out. Yeah, pull that side out.
Okay.
Now, of course, you've seen a table that has like an extra leaf. I just like this one because it's super handy where it just kind of swivels out and swivels into place.
Oh, that's cool.
And away we go. Kind of cool, huh? And then it can lock back in so it doesn't move around.
Look at that.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. We got the mud room here. This is my Louie or my Finley. This is a robot vacuum. It is not the Roomba. It's called Cyclone Force. It's kind of an off-brand. Just kidding. It's actually Samsung. I got it for free because I bought the fridge and my washer dryer from Samsung on Black Friday. I furnished my house on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, like those few days, and saved thousands and thousands of dollars. So all the stuff, the couch, the TV, the fridge, the table, all of it was purchased over Black Friday, Cyber Monday, saved a ton of money. So that's a little tip you can use. This thing though, automatically vacuums the floors every morning, and he frequently does not make his way home. So it's kind of a fun game every morning to kind of wake up and see where he's gonna be. I need to come up with a name for him or her. So maybe you can comment below what you think my Cyclone Force's name should be.
Nice. What should Sean's little dog's name be?
Keeping in mind that he frequently cannot find his way home.
Sometimes he gets lost.
Maybe that can help you with his name. Okay, let's go check out the garage. So I've always wanted to have like a gear center, right? And so I finally got it. I've got my rock climbing gear, my rappelling gear, where I just grab my bag and go. My golf clubs over here, motorcycle stuff here. A lot of my games, snowboard up there, camping pads, sporting equipment all through here, more camping gear and stuff. Kind of fun. And then, so this is my truck, Optimus Prime. We just call her Optimus. And then obviously there's another space over there for another car. And then look, this is my motorcycle. This is my motorcycle. It's a Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. It's a 1700cc. This baby can really hum. I challenge you to try and beat me off the line if you ever see me at a stoplight. Let's just not get in a wreck. Let's go to the backyard.
Here we go.
Ta-da! So like I said, I love hosting. So I wanted to make sure I had a backyard that could do stuff. So let's go check it out. I'll follow you. Nothing too special, but there's a decent amount of grass here, right?
Oh yeah. All of this grass.
Yeah. This is the basement entrance.
Front door. For our renters?
I added all of this concrete here that you see, and then also most of what you see over there. This hammock's a little old, but I like it. You can see what the sun does to it. It's like kind of faded, but this is what it looks like. Kind of cool, right?
I like it.
So nice little hammock. Traeger, which is much better than your typical barbecue.
Little smoker.
Yep. It's very nice. And then look at this patio furniture. I just got this. This is brand new.
The double chase?
Yeah. And it can turn into a bed. It can you can maneuver all the pieces and make it into a bed. Got the fire pit. It's got the extra space to put your plates and your drinks and stuff, and then get a little fire going at night. And last but not least, the slack line.
Show us how this works.
This slack line is actually the same slack line if you saw us on Shark Tank, which I will do a video about our Shark Tank experience. I'll do it with Jared. But this is the same slack line we had on the show on Shark Tank. So the sharks from ABC's Shark Tank have been on this slack line. So I'm just gonna touch it for all of you to be one with the sharks. So a slack line is kind of like an easier version of like a tightrope walk. And this one's not super difficult, but I'm also not that good at it. See if I can make the turn.
Oh!
Ugh. Anyway, you get the idea. Kind of fun. And then this was also added. So this whole strip here was just grass, but I wanted to have extra parking for renters and visitors and stuff, so I added this. I got the nice modern look on the outside.
Nice garage with like the glass.
The glass garage. Yeah, I
Yes,
really love the
fogged
glass garage. Kind of gives it like a modern look. Oh, and the front door
I was gonna say it matches
is
your front
fogged,
door.
which I did myself.
That's
I went and bought the fogging material myself. Daniel was very proud of me for doing that. Because he was like, finally, Sean's not bugging me to do something for him. This is my house. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Michelle, thank you for being the camera woman. We love you guys, and we'll see you next time.